Hi students, this is Lukumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.2. Now problem number 7. A vertical pole fixed to the ground is divided in the ratio 1:9 by a mark on it with lower part shorter than the upper part. If the two parts subtend equal angles at a place on the ground 25 meters away from the base of the pole, what is the height of the pole? That is the question. So by data, I consider AC is a pole of height h units. The point B divides the pole into two parts. One is shorter one, another one is longer one, in the ratio 1:9. That is, AB is to BC of ratio 1:9. There is a point O. That point divides into two equal angles, subtend equal angles, not divide, subtend equal angles. That means the line OB divides two equal angles with OC and OA. So angle between OB and OC equals theta. Angle between OB and OA also theta. Subtend equal angles. I consider them as theta, theta. Then the distance between the point of observation and the pole is 25 meters. That is given. Find the height of the pole. Okay, how to find? Listen. So AB is to BC ratio 1:9 given, which implies AB that is equal to, I consider as 1x, and BC I consider as 9x. Since these two angles are equal, we can apply angle bisector theorem. Here the line OB divides the angle AOC into two equal angles. So according to that angle bisector theorem, here I write that since OB divides angle AOC into two equal angles, OB is an internal bisector of angle AOC. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem, we can write OA by OC, OA divided by OC, that is equal to AB by BC. OA divided by OC, that is equal to AB by BC. OA by OC. OA length we know that. What is the length of OA? 25. OC length we don't know. Write as it is. 25 divided by OC. AB by BC. AB that is equal to x. BC that is equal to 9x. X divided by 9x. X get cancelled. Now you can cross multiply. OC into 1 is OC. 9 into 25 is 225. OC that is equal to 9 into 25, which implies OC that is equal to 225. Now in triangle, full triangle, I am going to consider the bigger triangle OAC. Since it is a right angle triangle, because here the angle is 90 degree, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OAC by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. OA square plus AC square, that is equal to OC square. Square of the hypotenuse equals, this is hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse equals sum of the squares of the other two sides. Come on. OC square equals OA square plus AC square. OC, that is equal to 225, the whole square equals OA square. OA, that is equal to 25, that is given. AC, that is equal to AC, that is x plus 9x, right? AC, that is equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC. I write AB plus BC, the whole square. The whole square, which implies here we considered AC as the height of the pole, we consider as h. So instead of AC square you can write h square. It's not necessary, you just write h square. Now 225 square, this 25 square comes left hand side, minus 25 square, that is equal to h square. Therefore h square equals, this is of the form a square minus b square. We can apply the identity, that will be easy. A square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is a, that is 225, b, that is equal to 25. A plus b, 225 plus 25, then a minus b, 225 minus 25, that is equal to, if you add you will be getting 250, then you have to subtract 225 minus 25, that is equal to 200, equals, if you multiply you will be getting 50,000, that is equal to 1000 into 5. 50,000, that is 1000 into 5. This is h square. Taking square root on both sides. H square square root is h. Square and square root get cancelled. 1000 square root is 100. 5 square root is root 5 meters. Therefore, the height of the pole that is h equals 100 into root 5 meters. So problem number 7 is completed. Then I will be teaching that problem number 8. That's the last problem in that exercise. The next video. Thank you, children.